welcome to my channel. I am Zuri and I'm going to be dyeing my hair today. I'll be using Dark and Lovely and color Vivacious Red. So I have multiple colors in my hair, so I want it just to be a little lighter, but really light at the ends and a little light on the roots, I'm hoping. So let's do this.
Just make sure that you try it on your skin or a little part of your hair before use.
So I'm going to put my hair, split it in half here, go all the way down, and I'm going to do 2 parts, and I'm just going to tie this around and tuck it under. Go, and let's start on the other side. And it is really hot where I am. It is like 94 degrees and I have no AC right now, so if you see me sweat, you're gonna see me sweat. So I'm taking my brush just for my roots, dip it in. It looks kind of purple. That's kind of cool. So I'm just gonna brush it in my roots as much as I can. I forgot to put Vaseline on my edges, so I'm just gonna go, oh, that's too much, and go around. I forgot to put that on. Next, I'm just going to pour it on to my dreads, just like this. Go all the way down, and I have gloves on, and I'm going to massage it into my dreads. And this is why I have 2 bottles, because only 2 bottles will Alright guys, Zuri FX here, makeup and FX artist. I love the color I did in my hair. I like it in the sun. It like beams red. It's nice. I like it. Until next time, have a great spring, everyone. Bye.